welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to take a look at customizing your booking form, how you can add questions to gain better insights from your clients prior to your meeting, how to remove questions that are no longer relevant, and how to reorder your questions to improve the flow of your booking form. To get started, click on the Booking Calendars icon in the left pane. Click on your booking calendar and select Booking Form at the top. There are two ways that you can add a question to your booking form. The first way is to click on the question in the pane here and drag it where you want it to be displayed. The second option is simply clicking on the question you want to add, and by default, it is added to the bottom of your booking form. To remove a question that's already in your booking form, simply locate the question and click on the trash can icon in the top right of that specific question. Confirm that you want to delete it. You'll see now that the question has been removed. Lastly, to reorder the questions in your booking form, you'll see that each question has a gray pane on the left side. To move it, click within this gray pane and drag your question to where you want it to be displayed. That's it for how to add, remove, and reorder your booking form. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.